Hi, it's Lila and I'm going to help you prep your customers' nails. So when prepping the nails, you need to make sure that you are prepping correctly. This is made out of gel, so you need to make sure that the nail skin is properly covered before spraying. So what I like to use is medical grade tape. I buy the 1/2 inch and also liquid latex for the cuticle. Prepping normally takes less than 5 minutes. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna grab a piece and you're gonna start from the side and you're gonna tuck in that tape. And then again for the next side. Make sure it's nice and snug. You're gonna do that for all 10 nails. And then you're gonna grab your latex, liquid latex, and wrap around the cuticle. Notice that I go slightly into the cuticle bed, and that's to make sure that no overspray will creep into that cuticle crevice. So when prepping for natural nails with Airtex system, you need to make sure that you have a thick base. We'll be using the clear gel Presto base today, and this is going to ensure no cracking or peeling of the airbrush gel. So after you prep your nail, we're going to cleanse the nail as you would with any base. So after using your clear gel base for a natural nail, what you're going to do is you're going to wipe off the tack before applying any Airtex Airbrush color. So make sure to use an alcohol or a nail cleanser and wipe off the tack. And now you're ready to apply the medical tape and liquid latex. Okay, so then we're all prepped and ready to go for the natural nail.